Mile2's Certified Cybersecurity Analyst course helps you prepare an organization to create a complete end-to-end solution for proactively monitoring, preventing, detecting, and mitigating cyber threats as they arise in real time. When you are done with this course, you will be able to analyze an information system from a security standpoint and create a plan that identifies risk areas and puts forth state-of-the-art problem-solving measures to limit breaches and information theft. You will learn how to evaluate and use important tools such as open source analysis tools, intrusion tools, servers, SIEMs, and more. This 400-level course assumes you have a fairly in-depth knowledge of security principles, forensics, incident handling, and some ethical hacking skills. Available as a live class or an ultimate self-study combo, the CCSA contains 7 in-depth lessons worth 40 continuing education units and hands-on training in our Cyber Range labs. If you are ready to lead your organization proactively rather than reactively, the Certified Cybersecurity Analyst course from Mile2 is for you.